Attention BMW fans. This is the upcoming 2026 to 2027 BMW M5, and it's an absolute game changer. Estimated 0 to 60 in just 3.0 seconds, plug-in hybrid with a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 plus electric motor. Over 750 horsepower combined. Expected starting price? Around $115,000. Fuel efficiency? Around 4.5 liters per 100 kilometers in the city, up to 80 kilometers of electric-only range. It's bold, it's brutal, and it's coming soon. Let's talk design. The new M5 features sharper lines, aggressive air intakes, and adaptive laser headlights. Outback, quad titanium exhaust tips, a sculpted diffuser, and widened LED taillights. It looks more like a supercar than a sports sedan. And that's exactly the point. Performance. Under the hood? A plug-in hybrid setup combining raw V8 power with electric torque. The result? Insane acceleration, instant response, and everyday efficiency. Whether you're flying down the Autobahn or gliding silently in EV mode, this M5 does both. Interior and technology. Step inside the future. You get BMW's new curved 14.9-inch iDrive 9 display, a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, graphene-infused carbon trim, M Sport steering wheel with tactile controls, AI-powered driver assist systems. It's luxurious, tech-loaded, and built for speed. So what do we have here? The most powerful, most advanced BMW M5 ever made. This isn't just a sedan, it's a supercar killer in disguise. Hit subscribe, because we're bringing you the first real footage as soon as it drops. And tell us in the comments, can this M5 take down the AMG E63 and RS7? This is the future of M.